Okay, here is a boy pushing his sister at a constant speed on wax skis. These are really important so you can find out the mu. You have your sister being pushed with an applied force of 50 newtons. Bam. You have the friction force, which is equal and opposite. Same arrows. Same size arrows. So now, all right, F net is equal to ma, but because a is 0, constant speed, a is 0, we now write force net equal to 0. So now I write force applied plus force of friction minus opposite direction is equal to 0. My force, I'll add force of friction to both sides. Now I have force applied is equal to my force of friction. But what is my force of friction? My force of friction is also equal to mu mg. Remember, this is right here. This is mu. And we looked that up. Mu is supposed to be wax on wax skis. So mu should be 0.05. Mass, we don't know what her mass is, but we know gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. And what is F of F? So my force applied is my 50. I put here. Force applied. Let's see if I can move this out of my way. Now I can put mu mg. Now I plug in these two informations. 0.05. Mass I don't know. Times 9.8 meters per second squared equals 50 newtons. Eventually, all right, I just erased. Now I'm going to continue. I need to get rid of these two numbers because I'm trying to solve for m. That times 9.8. Now watch it when you plug this into your calculator. You want to make sure the 0.05 and the 9.8 are together. This might be helpful if you did this put together first. Unless you know how to work your calculator. So eventually you have 50 newtons divided by 0.49 meters per second squared. Remember what a newton is. Newton is also a kilogram meter per second squared. That makes these units canceling out. Final unit set. Here is my mass.